Hey guys, right, so been doing some more on the Mark II Justy, and not looking quite so good. Had to tell myself to man up a few times because it was quite bad, and wow, you'll see in a second. I'll show you. So let's have a look. Right. So, decided to get started on this side. It's going to be a bit of a problem, I reckon. I'll just get a light. So yeah, it's pretty much the same as the other side, but a bit worse, I reckon. The other side had a bit more left on it. Not that really changed anything. It's still pretty much the same job. It's just some of the metal's a bit worse. So I might need to do a bit more in the long run. So this was showing a bit of a rust here, so from there, so chopped it out. And then you chop that out. Still a bit more to do at the front there, but then in taking the sound deadening out, I came across all of this, which is definitely not going to be so much fun, but that's why I ended up having to tell myself to man up. I'll show you under here. I've done a bit of chopping the seals out, I mean. Got a bit more to do down here. There's a pile of rust and sound deadening. load more of that floor pan's gonna have to be cut out. It's gonna be one of those, it will get there eventually. I'd be pretty confident, let's say I'm 99% sure that this car has been used to run through floods and big puddles and bog water and all sorts of other crap. That's the Beastie 1.3 GX lump. What is it? EF13. I believe it's multi-point injection, but it could be single. What else is there? Not a great deal more to show you at the moment, but yeah, it's been a fairly quick day of chopping it out. Starting to get a bit more used to just cutting stuff now instead of looking and planning it out. Otherwise you end up wasting most of your time just thinking about it. But that's where I'm at now, so hopefully soon it will look a bit more like that side. I've still got to do the back on that side. I'll try and get that done at some point, hopefully this week, maybe next week. But yeah, cheers for watching and see ya.